Hello students. Today I am going to continue explanation of chapter 6 presentation skills. In my previous videos I have explained you importance of presentation, types of presentation and points to be remembered in presentation. Today I am going to explain you examples of presentation. Celebration of Teachers' Day. First write heading Celebration of Teachers' Day. The Co-Curricular and Intellectual Activities Secretary of the School Students' Union had proposed celebrating 5th September 2017 as Teachers' Day, and this has been approved by the principal. In accordance with his suggestion, we would like to make a presentation on how to celebrate it with students' ongoing classes. The presentation has been prepared by a 5-member team. Members. First, Mr. Rutvij Purohit, Co-Curricular and Intellectual Activities Secretary, Chairperson, Committee Standard 12th C. Second, Mr. Adesh Parmar, Class Representative, Standard 12th B. Third, Ms. Swaroop Nandan, Ladies Representative, Secretary, Committee Standard 12th A. Fourth, Ms. Ujma Sheikh, Class Representative, Standard 10th B. Fifth, Mr. David Christie, Class Representative, Standard 10th C. In the first meeting, the committee members distributed work to be done as part of their duty and decided to meet after 2 days. After meetings among themselves and with the principal, the following suggestions were made unanimously. Wednesday, 5th September 2017 should be celebrated as Teachers' Day in the school. Keeping in mind interest in the subject and permission from the teacher, the students will avail information in advance about the units to be taught in class and prepare them well. The assembly will begin with respects paid to teachers. After this, Principal Mr. Kaushal Mehta sir will apprise the assembly of the participating students. All students are expected to cooperate. When, for a day, the student playing the role of a teacher is teaching, it is the duty of the class representative to see that discipline and decorum are maintained in the class. For the subjects of science and physical education, instead of practical conducted in laboratory or on grounds, classroom teaching would be conducted. Teaching would be conducted for 7 periods including recess. A gathering would be held after 7 periods and activities of students who worked as teachers would be applauded and commended. They would get an opportunity to express their experience. Co-Curricular and Intellectual Activities Secretary would prepare a report of the entire celebration and present it to the principal in 5 days. The committee expects cooperation from the administrative staff and help from the support staff in decorating the school. The committee wishes success for the celebration and thanks one and all. Then, on behalf of the committee, here name of the place is written, Anand Nagar, and date is mentioned. Then Swaroop Nandan, Secretary. Then Rutvij Purohit, Chairperson. Next example is individual report on a visit to a bank. First, on the top write the heading Visit to State Bank of India. As the co-curricular and extracurricular activity Secretary Vinavadini Vidyalaya, I submit the following report. We have studied bank correspondence as part of our syllabus. In order to understand the various activities associated with banking, we decided to pay a visit to a bank. We contacted the manager of State Bank of India, Gandhi Road branch, availed his permission and decided to visit the bank on 18th January 2017 in a group consisting of one teacher and 15 students. We reached the bank at 11 a.m. during working hours. The public relations officer of the branch, Mr. Mahendra Bhai Joshi, spent 2 hours with us, took us to various departments except the cash cabin and answered all the questions asked by us. At the outset, he explained when and how, in times of mobile and net banking, the account holders need to visit the bank personally. Thereafter, he clarified when and in what matters correspondence between the bank and account holder is actually required. Checking the knowledge of students in the field of banking and bank correspondence, he clarified certain essential aspects and other facilities provided by banks. Opening and closing of bank accounts, the basic functions of various accounts like savings, current, term deposit, recurring deposit, provident fund, demat, etc., and in what cases they are required. Crediting and debiting amount in current and savings accounts and clearing process of a check. Credit, debit and ATM cards, advantages and limitations of their use. Details and comparative analysis of facilities like loan, overdraft and cash credit that are frequently required by common people and businessmen. Safe deposit vault, payment of bills, foreign exchange, status inquiry and their replies. Significance of care, concern and regularity on part of employees in spite of computerization of banking activities. Advantages and limitations of mobile banking and net banking. Use of alphanumerical characters for the PIN and password. Care for changing them periodically and caution in not sharing the details with others. We realized that the details of certain aspects, when taught and learnt as part of syllabus, are not understood in their holistic form. For that, such visit becomes useful. When, in future, we have to operate with our individual accounts, information gathered during such visits is found valuable. We are thankful to the principal, Shri Chintan Bhai Mistry, the branch manager, Shri Kalyan Bhai Saini, and the public relations officer of the branch, Mr. Mahendra Bhai Joshi, for making the program successful and fruitful. Report prepared by Keshav Parmar, Co-Curricular and Extracurricular Activity Secretary, Vinavadini Vidyalaya, Shardagram. I hope you have understood this chapter. Your homework is select appropriate options and write answers to the following. Answer the following questions in brief. Answer the following questions to the point. Draft reports or presentations keeping in mind the following details. Thank you.